Here's how to change delivery date on Amazon. First, open the Amazon Shopping app on your phone. Once you're signed in, tap the account icon at the bottom of the screen. Next, tap your orders to view all of your recent and current orders. Find the order whose delivery date you want to change, then tap on it to open the order details. As you can see, I don't have any orders currently in progress. However, if you do have an active order, you'll see it listed on this page. Simply open the order, and if it's eligible, you'll find the Reschedule Delivery or Change Delivery Date option, which you can use to choose a new delivery date. If you don't see the option to reschedule the delivery, it's usually because the package has already been shipped or is out for delivery. In that case, you'll need to contact Amazon customer service. To do that, go back to the Amazon home screen and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and select Customer Service. Next, again, scroll down and select Help with Other Issues. Here, then scroll to the bottom of the page and select I Need More Help. This will open Amazon's customer support options, where you can start a live chat or request a callback. Explain that you'd like to change the delivery date, and if your order is still eligible, the support team will help you reschedule it. That's all for this video. Thanks.